Alright, what's up y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some side markers on my car. I got these clear LED ones. It's from Amazon. And it's supposed to be a direct plug and play, but I'm going to show you how to take out the old ones and put in the new ones and show you guys how it looks like. But yeah, let's get into it. So we're at the front of the car and I already started on this one. Got it popped out a little bit. But anyways, what you gotta do right here is come to the side and take off all these little screws. I didn't take off the bottom one. I can squeeze my hand through up here. And then also turning the wheel a bit will help get through. And these are the screws that come through. Probably like T15s or so. But I mean, I'm just using an Allen key. Works the same. But what you're gonna do is pop out the back until you pop those little tabs. I'm gonna go ahead and get this other one and then swap it out and show you guys how to do it. Okay, so now that it's popped out, what we're gonna do is go ahead and unplug it. So just right there, simple, push down this tab, and then it's a little harder with two hands, but it pulls right out. And we're gonna take off this bulb. Just twist. There you go. My bad guys. So here's how it looks. Here's the wire. Makes it easier if you turn the wheel and actually unbolt the bottom one. My hand's a lot thicker than I thought, so. But anyways, we're gonna transfer this over here, but we're gonna take out this little bulb, and then we're gonna put plug this into here, and then put this in there, and then yeah, let me just show you. Just to make sure it was working, you know, turned on the light, it's working. But here, as you can see, take out the bulb, connect this one in here. If it doesn't work, just take it out and flip it, see if that works. And I'm gonna attach this to here so it's more secure and pop it back in. All right, so like I said, it just popped back in. That's the front one. Got the bolts back tightened. Now for the back one, we're at the rear now. I'm gonna go ahead and change these out. The way to do that is we take out this lens, which I already popped out. And if you guys seen the previous video, still holding up that old housing. Anyways, I recommend disconnecting it, but I don't really care. It's right over there, so we're gonna push the two tabs like in the front and go ahead and swap them out. Okay, so just like that, we got the rear one out. Now, same thing. Take out the rear one. Take out the bulb. If you want to keep these old ones and the bulb, just be careful taking it off. Don't put too much of your fingers on the actual glass part, or at least on the top. But like I said, I'm not putting those back on. Here's the other one. Now we just plug and play. Yeah, let me just skip into it. Can't do this one-handed. Boom, just like that, swapped over everything on there. That's how you pop them back in. I'd like to do the front side first, and then the rear. There we go. But I would recommend turning them on every time you go replace one before you put it back together. Here's before. The amber and red. And I'll show you after. Boom. Just like that. You may see 6. There you go. But if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. Got more coming out for sure. And only getting started. Woo!